Ready.
It's that time of year again. It's time to sit under a dead tree and eat candy out of socks. I hope they're clean. We made a sign to celebrate. Merry Christmas. And we use the dry brush technique. We'll show you how we did it right now. What is up? Welcome back. Do you like to do a build it or make it? Great. That's what we do on this channel every week. Christmas is in the air. And so is the flu, so wash your hands. But this week, we're making a Merry Christmas front porch welcome sign. It's gonna have 2 layers of paint, some vinyl, very few cuts, 2 cuts, and we're gluing it together.
Yes, it's going to be like a reverse stencil this time. So we are going to use letters, but we're going to actually use them to reveal the paint underneath. We're going to peel them up and there'll be paint underneath. So
voila.
Yeah, it'll be pretty cool.
It'll be cool. It'll be cool. Step 1. Make your cuts. We're going to cut this little picket that we picked up. This, what is it? Gregorian?
I think it's Gothic.
Gregory? Gothic.
I think it was Gothic. I think it's called Gothic in. They're like $1.
It's like $1. Yeah. We're going to turn this into this. 2 11-inch pieces. We also picked up a dog-eared piece, 2 pieces. They're dog-eared, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
dog-eared fence pickets. And they're already pressure treated, so they're already treated for outdoors. And so is this little, the Gothic-eared one, or Gothic-tipped one, is also pressure treated for outdoors. And we get a lot of questions around, do we sand these? No, they're already pressure treated. We don't bother to sand them. It's supposed to be kind of that country,
rough and
rustic look. So we just paint right over them just as they are.
And once you put the red down, and then we're going to distress the white a little bit, that roughness actually helps it peek through and make it look even cooler.
Yeah.
Step 2. We're going to Gorilla Glue them together. We're not going to use any nails. Brad is safe this week.
Right.
Brad, take the week off. We're just going to Gorilla Glue them together. This is the original Gorilla Glue, not the wood Gorilla Glue.
Yes.
This stuff foams up and gets in those crevices, so if there's a gap in your board, it'll fill it in and keep it nice and tight together.
And we're gonna go ahead and glue them before we paint so that you're gluing wood to wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right on.
Right on. So I cut my stencil at 57 and I think I'm gonna leave about 58 in between the top board, the top attached board, and the bottom attached board. So yes, leave it like this and then take me down there.
Take me down.
You can do a little Guns N' Roses.
Oh.
Paradise.
Take me down to the welcome sign city. Alright, we're just gonna clamp it. Clamp them if you got them. Kim likes to over clamp. She really gets in there like She-Hulk, snapping boards. Crack, crack.
I don't want them to go anywhere. I want to make sure that glue is tight. Rotating
Coming
around.
coming around.
We might want to double check yours. That was a lot of motion.
Motion. Motion in the ocean.
Maybe I should clamp this one this way.
Now we can see how they do once we clamp them. Alright. We'll give this one full hour to do its magic, to cure, to glue.
It says 1 to 2 hours, but in 1 hour it's stuck. You can unclamp it and continue painting. So
Continue. Alright, 1 hour.
let's do that. We're just kidding.
Step 3. We're gonna paint it red. But before we paint it red, we have to clean up some glue globs. We got some gooey puffer pieces that we're gonna clean up.
Puffer pieces.
Puffer pieces.
So our little puffer pieces.
What? Man down! Sorry, Brad. Brad wasn't safe this week.
The puffer pieces are easy to get off. They are easiest to get off when the glue is completely dry. Ours is only about an hour dry, so
it's still a little tacky.
Yeah, they're a little bit soft still.
But after like 2 hours, it's like hard foam, like styrofoam. Chip it right off.
Yeah, chips right off.
We're gonna use some chalk paint. Are we gonna go till we run out? Is that what we're thinking?
Yeah, this one's like a, I don't know, whichever one. These are both, one's a deco art chalk paint and the other is
folk art.
Yeah, folk art. This one's Cameo.
This one's
Pioneer Red.
Pioneer Red.
I think, let me see, this Cameo looks a little bit darker. Oh.
Ooh, that, ew, no, never mind.
Looks a little clumpy in
Looks
there.
like we'll be going with this one. Well, that's drying. We're gonna go cut out our vinyl and get our letters ready. Step 4. Now we're gonna lay down the vinyl. So we cut out the vinyl using our Cricut. It's just this Oracal 651. And then we weeded it. We reverse weeded it. Added the transfer tape. Now we're gonna transfer it to the board.
Well, I think this is like regular weeding, but we're gonna reverse the image with the paint.
It's weeding, whatever it is.
Whatever it is.
We left the letters. The letters are going down. So we got so far, looks pretty cool with the black letters. I'd almost leave it with the black letters.
I know. It looks good. I think you could add a bow on here and it would look great. But I want to go with that technique that we talked about because I think it'll look even better.
Alright, we're going to try to do a dry brush.
Did I just swipe this over the lid? Look.
Yeah.
Making a mess. Oh my gosh, this one too. Oh my gosh, hold on, I got paint everywhere.
Paint everywhere. I got just a little bit on the brush. Just a teeny bit. Gently gliding over it.
So I don't know if you can see. Maybe you have to get your phone. You see how we're just lightly painting it?
So barely getting it wet, just dragging it on through. This is not sped up. It's real time.
That's very funny.
Step 6. We're gonna pull up the vinyl. See if we can actually see these letters. Moment of truth, babe. Moment of truth.
Alright, is that all of them?
I think so. Bam! That's what we got so far. Merry Christmas. Step 7. Now we add the accents.
Okay, so I started making my bow. I finished making my bow. I've got like 6 or 7 little loops here. It's just a bigger bow. And we're going to put that at the top. And how much of this?
All of it.
No, I think I'm going to use it to wrap around and tie it to the back.
Yeah.
There you go, perfect. That way I can change the bow.
Yeah.
Which I will never
quick change.
Which I will never do because it's Christmas.
Yeah. Well, Buffalo Plaid might be out in a couple of years, but Merry Christmas is always in.
It is always in. You know what I would like? A finger back here. Can you help me with this?
Ow!
Get your finger out of there.
You want some of these pine cones?
Yes, and so I've bought these little pine accents, which I thought we could hot glue.
Bam! That's what we got. Whoop, sorry, babe. Son of a nutcracker, that thing looks hot. Hit that like button if you like this video. Leave us a comment. Tell us if you liked how the lettering came out. Tell us if you do something different. Show us if you went ahead and made one of your own. Oh, check it out. Check it out. Until next week, you guys can watch something over here, over this way, and hit that subscribe button and that bell, because we do this every week.